What's going on, guys? Your boy Mark. Get in here, Jack. Alright, so we're in Vacaville. We're at a meet. What you gotta say?
It's fucking hot as balls.
Yeah, it's like 100 and something degrees, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, I need to shave. But we're at a car meet. I forgot to make an intro, so this is the intro. We're in Vacaville now. And yeah, just chilling at a little car meet. And about to show y'all the little cars out here, huh? A little vlog. Just because I haven't had content in a while, so. Huh. There goes Eric. There goes Eric. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm using my GoPro. About to go to the meet. Yup. Okay, let me clean y'all. Yup. See? It's hot. It's like 90 something degrees, and I got the AC blowing. Turn it off because I got my windows down. But yep. About to see a POV of me just driving to. We're going to Vacaville. We're in AC. We're in AC right now, but we're going to Vacaville. So, for those who don't know, I have my GoPro in my mouth because I don't have a head strap. What you gonna say? Yeah, I have my GoPro in my mouth. Pause. No diddy. But we're about to go on the freeway, and just an update. My car has been acting up. I'm speaking loud because I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but like Eric's right on my ass. But my car's been acting up. My clutch has been slipping. No good. I'm gonna need to replace my clutch very soon. And then one of my ignition coils, my coil pack, it's leaking oil because of the grommet. There's a rip on it. No bueno. But now we're on the freeway or highway or whatever, and we got about 20 minutes of driving to get to Vacaville for the meet. There's a meet today, so I lowered down my music so I don't get copyrighted. But yeah, that's what's been going on with my car. Transmission, my clutch is slipping, coil pack, and with that coil pack, it's making my car shake. Potholes. It's making my car shake, and it feels like it's cammed, but it's not cammed. Yeah. Well, yeah. Yep. What do you guys see that Tesla? Oh, I don't know if you guys can catch it on a video, but it's all like pearl. But we just hit traffic, and it's 98, but I got AC going. Man, it's hot. We're like 15 minutes away. Alright, so we're here. We're just passing this light. Ooh, look, it's wagon. We're here, and I see Sebastian. I see the hosts. Ooh. Scrape, 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 scrape.
Keep going. You're good. You're good. You're good.
Ooh, look at that. IS 300. Hey, Sebastian. Yo, say hello to the YouTube.
What?
Say hello to the YouTube.
Oh shit,
I was
you
doing
the GoPro?
Yeah, I was doing the POV drive.
Are you actually?
Yeah.
Oh, bro, you should have told me to do mine, bro.
Oh, no way. Fuck. But I think they're gonna have the vendors right here.
Oh, they are.
Yeah, we can park. We can park over there by the other tree.
Which one?
The where that tree is? The yellow right here.
I'll
Right
just
here?
follow you.
Okay. All right. All right. Oh shit. I'll just park right here. Can't see the line. Let me fix myself.
You're straight.
There you go. We go right here. We're good right here. And we're right under the shade. Yeah, we're right under the shade too. We're right under the shade. Yeah. We got right under the shade. Sebastian's trying to park. A lot of cars pulling up. And yeah. It's, by the way, it's, I don't know if you guys can see, 104 degrees. Let me get out real quick. Let me turn off the car. Yeah. Get my phone. Oh shit. Take my phone. Just got here and we're just parked. But I'm about to switch over to the phone now. So far,
Mine too. I feel
what you gotta say?
Even in the shade.
I know.
it. Too hot.
Too hot, yeah, it's hella
like
hot.
Soccer or like football on the turf.
Sebastian got his car,
Fucking
Jag,
Oh my god.
Marco, right there. But
Where's Tony?
oh, Tony couldn't make it, and Kevin couldn't make it. Almost everyone couldn't make it today, but we out here.
Oh, copyright.
And there's more cars. Copyright. Hey, I have those wheels.
What the hell?
But yeah. What you gotta say, boy?
It is 8:03.
My bad.
It is 8:03 and it's 90 degrees.
90 degrees,
95
yeah.
degrees.
It's fucking hot. It's hot.
Okay, buddy. I don't got money for that.
Look at Andreas. Don't mess up. Don't mess up.
Why are you bringing the fox? Where the fox at?
Oh, not yet. Oh, they don't know about it, but you remember when they said that we were just gonna like re-weld it or whatever, try and make it straight? Well, we're gonna cut the frame, right? And we're gonna get another frame. Facebook Marketplace. He got several that he can hit up.
Got like 3.
What you waiting for? Money. Yo. Sebastian taking pictures.
It's like a delicate process, right?
You know what's crazy? You want to know who taught them that technique? Yours truly. I taught them that technique. How hot is it? Check. Let me see your phone. Oh, well.
92.
Well, now it cooled down.
It's not bad now.
Oh! barking.
Oh, bless him, man.
What's that smell like? Ma'am. Hey. What you gotta say?
Where's Tony
Get
at?
closer.
Where's Tim at? Where y'all at? Man, y'all were supposed to do one thing. Man,
Get closer.
man.
Oh, where's Kevin?
Where's Kevin? Where is he? I'm gonna find you. I know where you live. I'm gonna go to your house and you're gonna wake up with no tires.
Oh, he got closer. This Evo. Sick as. And there's music in the background. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. So yeah, this is hella sick. Carbon fiber. Fucks with the wheels. Look. Yeah, look at this Honda. See this Honda and the IS300. It's cool ass lineup. Cool lineup. And then there's us. Oh, it's a wide body. There is a wide body. Two Miatas. This is the new member. Oh shit, we're in the picture. Look at this Honda. What is that?
Some light.
What is that? Damn.
That's a tight space to work on.
Oh yeah. It's hella nice. Damn. And then this is the Divine Aces group. You guys already know them. They're the vendors. The trocas. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, Andreas' car. We're gonna see Andreas' car. Oh, damn. Andreas' group went up. I remember when there was only 2 cars. There was only 2 cars. Where's your Fox body? Oh. Yeah. I think last time it had more cars, but it's still chill. Still chill. Yeah. Oh, Jagger's leaving, going home.
I'm fucking hot, bro. I need to like get moving right now. My car.
I know it is hot. It's still. It's like almost freaking 12.
I just looked at my phone. 88 degrees. I just looked at my phone and it says feels like 86. I was like, bro, what?
That's pretty much all the cars. America. Yeah. That's pretty much all the cars out here. Little vlog. Well, yeah. Well, now you guys know what's wrong with my car. My clutch is slipping. I need to replace it soon, ASAP. And my coil pack is leaking oil because of the grommet. It's ripped. Sometimes it putters, shakes. Sometimes it doesn't. So far it hasn't. But yeah. Then you can't see me, but we're heading out. We're heading out. Damn, blue light is pretty bright. Look, it's hot. It's 9. What time is it? 11.
9/11.
At 9/11, and I'm sweating still. It's hot out here in Vacaville, but we're about to go home, get food, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You're probably gonna see a little POV or not. I don't know yet. I don't think so, but I think this is the end of the video. Quick little vlog, and yeah, meat was cool. Hope you guys liked, subscribe. And there'll be more videos coming out soon. And then I'll give you guys an update on Gabe's car. But yeah.